Hey guys, it's Lana in New York back, and today I'm going out of the city to Great Wolf Lodge with Isabel and her family, and it's gonna be super duper fun, so see you there. Zach, I'm gonna interview you, okay?
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, what's your name?
Zach.
How old are you?
5.
What's your favorite color?
Orange and blue.
Cool. So we just had a break and we went to Starbucks. Isabel's parents got some coffee or something, and me and Isabel, we had this like super spicy gum.
Spicy gum. It was terrible. No, but I hate good.
You sure? Well, so we all tried it. Jonah, you saw in the last in a few videos ago where we did the food challenge, the food tasting challenge. Jonah hated it. Isabel, she thought it was a little spicy, and Zach loved it, and so did I. So we're almost at Great Wolf Lodge. Finally, Jonah, what do you have to say about it?
It's fun.
Cool.
But
Okay.
You know this bucket that dumps on your head, and it's so cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna be there in 1 minute.
Where's that Great Wolf Lodge? The slides come from inside and they. No way, we're not going. I'll go to the yellow one.
Me too.
I'll go on. Cool.
We're here.
God, I'm so
We're
excited.
here.
What am I doing? I think I'm having a sugar rush or something. I don't know.
Oh, you don't need that many, Jonah.
Yes, we do. But we need a lot of entertainment.
Okay, this is our room.
No, not right now.
We are finally here. This is our room. This is the cabin.
Try to keep with the
This is one bed, and this is a bunk bed.
Okay,
That's-
here's the orange toga.
In this little area, what are you talking about? So we change into our bathing suits. This is this, and then the living room.
And
one
sleep
and try to
here.
stick with that one.
Cool.
Okay? Exactly. I want you to wear
Bye, Isabel! I'm gonna go down this green slide right here. It's pretty tiny, and then I'm gonna go on a really big slide. Okay, in 1 minute I'm gonna go down this crazy orange slide. It's really big, look at that. I'm gonna tell you how it is after because I can't take my phone and do down there, so be right back. So last night, instead of going on the orange one, we went on every single one of them. I'm sorry I couldn't record it because my phone died.
There was a huge green and yellow one. It just went straight down, and then it flushed you in circles.
Yeah, like a toilet. Yeah, it was so
crazy.
cool. You could just went on the orange slide.
Yeah, but my brother, who is 5, went on it.
Yeah, he went on
That
every
was
single
like-
ride. He was trying to go on this blue ride. He was too small though. Sorry I couldn't record that because my phone was dead. But right now we're gonna go to the breakfast buffet, and then we're gonna go back to the water place. Then we're gonna go to the arcade, and then we're gonna go to the spa called Scoops. It's like a kid's spa. So we're gonna be back in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So right now we're at the breakfast buffet, and this is my food. This is what I got. I got a banana, pineapple, strawberries, and whipped cream. This is what Isabel got.
French toast, strawberries, whipped cream, tater tots, and waffles.
This is what Jonah got.
Blintzes, tater tots, and French toast.
Cool. So we will see you at the waterpark. So we just went to the pool and the arcade, and this is what we got. Me and Isabel got these huge glasses that they light up. And Jonah's doing this magic quest.
With a cool wand and this weird weird, ununderstandable book.
Isabel got the sunglasses too. Zach got a bunch of weird things. So yeah, like 1,000 points. And we went to Scoops, as you can tell. Yeah, so we're having ice cream right now, and that's one of the things Zach got. So Isabel got French vanilla cookies and cream. So did Zach. So did I. And Jonah got
Raspberry and
Cookies and cream.
Me in the camera. And vanilla.
No, that looks like cookies and cream.
It's vanilla. It's cookies and cream.
Okay. Yeah. Well, we're gonna see you back on the car ride home, or whatever we're doing next.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. So me and Jonah and Zach are doing the Magic Quest, and right now we're in the elevator. What floor, guys?
We're going to the 4th floor.
So this is the Magic Quest book. It's really cool. This is Great Garage. If you just wondered to know what it looks like. So we're finding this quest, and what do we have to do, Jonah?
So we have to go to this dragon's lair and we have to like do some magic things. So it's gonna be pretty hard.
Is this the Dragon's Lair?
Yep, this is the dragon's lair.
Cool, cool, cool.
It's now the time to find the 3 slimes. So put away your flares.
Jonah, what does it mean?
We're looking for a sign.
A sign or slime?
Over there.
Books.
Where I'm pointing. See that sign right there?
Okay, let's go find some slime.
A sign that says slime.
A sign that says slime?
Stop!
Yeah, Jonah, do you have to do anything with that?
No, that's not. I don't know what the dragon's lair is.
This is probably it. I mean, there's a dragon, and there's a lair. Let's go. I think it's the dragon lair. Is this it?
Did we finish our quest?
We finished our quest. Great. That's the Pixie Princess. We're done. Well, we can't do the rest of the quest because we're about to leave. So, thank you for watching London, New York. If you like the video, leave a subscribe and a like. Thank you for watching. Jonah, say bye.
Bye.
Zach, say bye.
I'm gonna scratch your head off.
Okay. Bye, guys.